Hello all. So now let us see how to set up JavaFX and execute a JavaFX controller from a terminal window. So first what we are going to see is how to configure. So configure and JavaFX. Second, setting up environmental variable. So third, executing Java FX from command or terminal. So these are things that we are going to see today. So now what we are going to do, so how to set up Java FX and Java. So first so right now I'm using an Ubuntu system, that is a Linux based system. So for that what we have to do is, so first we have to download our Java. So Java can be okay. So Java can be downloaded in two places. I'm just closing up the other windows. So one is OpenJDK. So first one is OpenJDK, which is a free version, which is going to be a community driven, so complete open source. And the other version is Oracle JDK. For learning purpose you can use it, but for production you can't use Oracle JDK since it is going to be a paid version. So from Oracle JDK 11 there is 1.1, so JDK started to charge for deploying our projects. So whichever you want you can download it. So based on your OS, so it is for Linux or Mac or Windows, you can select it and you can download and you can install it. So for Linux, so we can download either tar or we can go for Debian file. So Debian file will be better if we use to install JDK. So once it is downloaded, if we install it, so the files will be installed in okay, the files will be installed. So let's check whether so I'm installing my Java. So first I want to check my whether Java is installed in my system or not. So normally Java will be installed in library file. So go for cd slash lib. Okay, so I can directly access my lab. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to okay, let me check. Okay, Okay. Okay guys, so I don't know what happened, so I forgot the path. So now we have this library here. So we are going to inside my library. So inside my library I'm going to check what are the files are there. So as you can see, all the installed library files will be here. So mostly we have our JVM here. So yes, so our JVM is here. So I'm just going to see JVM. So this will give me what are the things that are installed. So as I have installed my JavaFX and also JDK 19 here. So just cd JDK. Sorry. Okay, so now if you click on ls, so you can see what are the files are there. So if you go to bin, so this is where all the library files are there. So what are the commands that we are going to use? So like java c, java m, java f, java x, so java stack. So whatever the files, jsp, all these files will be here, which are helps to either to develop and execute a file. So this is the library where we have to set as a home path, home directory for my system. So where can I set this? So in Windows we have this environmental variable. So in Windows we have this environmental variable where we can directly set it from my home screen. But in Java that is not possible. Sorry, in Linux that is not possible. So the environmental file normally it will be resides inside my etc. So that is my etc folder. So there's going to be cd slash etc slash. Okay, so inside my etc I have my environmental file. So you can see here we have an environment file. So first we have to open that file. So for that I am going to use edit sudo nano environment, sudo nano environment. So I'm using an annotator to edit it. So if you click here, you can see already we have a path. So just use the whatever the path that we are going to use, you can directly add here. So for example, Java home, so that is going to be user slash library slash jvm slash jdk19. And also for JavaFX, I have moved my JavaFX file to here. So it is already there. So user slash library, that's jvm slash JavaFX and slash library. And in path you can see that at last I have added my Java bin folder. So user slash library slash jvm slash jdk bin. So bin has been added to the path and JavaFX and JavaFX home has been added. So once it is done, now you can check whether just a minute, I'll increase my font size. Okay, so I'm just going to increase the font size. So here I'm going to increase the font size to 24. Fine, so it is easy for you to visible. So now I'm checking. I'm just going back to my normal home directory. So from here I'm going to check what is there, and so just I'm going to click on echo dollar java underscore home. This will give me the home directory of my Java if the path has been set correctly. Similarly, echo dollar java fx underscore home. This will give me the Java fx home. So user slash library slash jvm slash library file. So when both these paths are set, now our environmental variable set. Now we are ready to execute our Java fx. So yes. So now what we are going to do is, so we are going to download a sample document from open JavaFX. So where we have this, so from this getting started, so like open JavaFX, you have this sample document. It is already there. So there is going to be hello JavaFX, hello fx.java. Just open that file, click on download, save the file. So I'm just overwriting, so I already have that file, so I'm just overwriting that file, save the file. So now we are going to compile it. So as normal Java file, we normally use to compile using javac command. So but for to execute the JavaFX file, what we do is, so first the same thing, I want to go to the directory first. So first my directory, so my file is inside my documents. So in that documents I have a folder called projects. So inside that folder I have this JavaFX folder, so which will help me to compute it. So now I'm going to use that. So cd documents, so just slash home os admin documents projects. Inside that project I have JavaFX folder. So inside this fx folder, you can see here there are three files are there. One is going to be JavaFX.java, JavaFX class, and hello.java. So just I'm going to remove all these two files because I only need these files. So I'm just going to remove -r hello.java and hello fx.class. So once it is removed, so inside my folder I have only hello fx.java. So this is the only file that I'm having. So now we are going to compile this. So to compile, we normally have one thing. So it's going to be javac, which is going to give me the compiler of Java. So after that we have to add the JavaFX module path to this. So for that I'm using the command called -module path. So this module is inside my JavaFX home. So for that I'm using that variable JavaFX underscore home. So from that module we have different libraries there. I'm going to add specific 2 to 3 modules which I require. So normally we require controllers and fxmls. So I'm going to add all these two things into it. So for example, add modules. So where I'm going to use JavaFX dot control. So controls, and then JavaFX.fxml. So these are the two things that I require to execute this hello fx.java, or these are things that are normally required. So now at last, after adding the module path and then add modules, the modules which we need to execute my Java file or my JavaFX file. So I'm going to add that file at the last and I'm going to hit enter. So if any error is there, it will show me error. If there is no error, then that will execute successfully. So now I'm just going to check what are the files are there inside my JavaFX. So now you can see here hello fx.class has been created. So previously we have only hello fx.java, but after compiling I have created this hello fx.class, which is going to be pretty much same like my Java normal compilation. So now Java, the same command, so module -path. So in path I'm going to add that as Java fx underscore home underscore home, and then from that module I'm going to add modules. So these modules are going to be my JAVAFX dot controls, and then JAVAFX dot fxml. So followed by my class file. So class name, so that's going to be hello fx dot class. So we should not add the dot class, just class name is fine, hello fx is fine. So when I click on enter, it will execute my JavaFX file. So when I click on enter, it will execute my yes. So now you can see this. So this is the file which has been created. So it is telling, it has only one label which is telling that hello JavaFX. The version of my JavaFX is going to be 21 and running on Java version 19. So this is the sample application which was already given by hellofx.java file. So once again I'm going to execute this. So first we are going to compile that file, and after compilation we are going to execute that file. So by using the command called java module path JavaFX home, and then add module JavaFX control JavaFX, and then hellofx. So now this will execute that file, so which will show the output. Yes. So this is how we can execute our programs using terminal or command prompt. So thank you. Try to implement it. Thank you all.